In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets. Now, you might be wondering why this is a topic worth exploring. Well, if you've ever wanted to share just a single sheet within a larger Google Sheets document, you might have found out that Google Sheets doesn't offer a direct option to share only a single sheet. Sharing an entire spreadsheet could potentially expose more information than you intend, which isn't always ideal for privacy or simply staying organized. Fortunately, there's a straightforward workaround you can use, and I'm here to walk you through it. First things first, we need to create a separate spreadsheet with the sheet you want to share. Here's how we're going to do this. Begin by locating the sheet you want to share within your existing Google Sheets document. Once you've found it, right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a menu of options. You're going to move your cursor to Copy To and then select New Spreadsheet. This action will duplicate your selected sheet into a brand new Google Sheets file. It's a handy feature that simplifies the process of isolating one sheet from the rest of your workbook. This new spreadsheet is completely independent, so it doesn't automatically link back to your original document. This means your data stays secure and specific to what you've chosen to share. Now that you have this new spreadsheet, you can go ahead and share it with the intended recipients, just like you would with any Google Sheets file. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the new spreadsheet and enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to have access. Remember, you can adjust settings to allow for viewing or editing based on your preferences and needs for collaboration. There's one more thing to consider. Since this new spreadsheet isn't linked to your original document, it won't update automatically if changes are made to the sheet in your original spreadsheet. If maintaining real-time updates is crucial, you might want to use the Import Range function. This is a separate feature in Google Sheets that enables you to pull in data from the original document to this new sheet, ensuring everything stays synchronized. And that's it. This method gives you the flexibility to share just what you need without compromising on your document's security or readability. With these steps, you can maintain better control over your shared resources in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing and sharing your Google Workspace more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.